Okay, I'm going to be doing this. This is a box of Fast Break. I did a video or one of these box of these just a few minutes ago. I'll link to this somewhere. So let's get cracking. It's cool. You get 3 hobby packs from a retail store. It's almost, I know it's a stupid comparison, but it's almost like, getting one of those monthly crates, because you get some hobby packs without having to go to a hobby shop. They're older packs, but for the price, they're pretty decent, because you get the jumbo pack of hoops, jumbo pack of Pinnacle, 30 cards per pack in the Pinnacle, 50 cards per pack in the hoops. They're a few years old, so you're not going to get the most current players, obviously. 2013-14 Prestige, 8 cards. Same there, 13-14. That's 13-14 as well, I think. Yeah. I wonder if 13-14 is just not very popular anymore, and maybe they were able to get a whole bunch of them for cheap or something. So I'm going to open them with Pinnacle Prestige first, then Hoops, then Pinnacle. Connections, Mark Aguirre, Dirk Nowitzki. MCW rookie. I have never once gotten a hit out of that Prestige. I almost always get hits out of here. Now that I said it, let's see if I can prove myself wrong. Isaiah Thomas for the Kings. I forgot how many different teams he played for. Kelly Olynyk, rookie. Yeah, good for him. Going to Gonzaga. Autograph? Yes, I always get an auto out of here. I can't say I know who this is, or I know how to say that name. Desagana Diop for Charlotte. Or at the time for Charlotte. Okay. Still, keeping my streak of getting hits out of that NBA Hoops pack, though. Ooh, LeBron James. Young LeBron James. Steph Curry. LBJ. Jared. Marcus Thornton. Okay, so I got my auto out of there. What I would like would be to get a hit out of Pinnacle as well. Either a hit, or they have cards that where you get like their acetate, and they have them different quarters, like first quarter, second quarter. I always get those and get first quarter. There's a thick card that's either I don't know. We'll see. See what it is when we see what it is. Giannis. That looks like a clear one. It's numbered, so that means it's not a first quarter. Did I predict the card that I'm going to get? Fourth quarter. Ooh, Pete Maravich, Clear Vision, fourth quarter. Number 3 of 12. Help you focus. That's pretty sweet. Number 3 of 12. I like that. That's as good as a hit. Kevin Garnett. Under Karolinko, Artist Proof. Team Pinnacle, Pau Gasol. Scoring Kings. Position Power. Tony Bennett. Okay, so it's like got an auto and a card number to 12 of Pete Maravich for the Jazz. That's pretty sweet. Okay, thanks for watching.